this is a review of the RYOBI Lithium 18-volt 1.5 AH battery that I would definitely recommend. So I've been using this battery for my power tools and for my saw, and also for a shop vacuum as well too from RYOBI, and so far it works very fast and efficiently. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to pretty much plug this into my battery charging station to show you guys how easy it is to use and how easy it is to take it off as well too. So without going further, let's go to the charging station and show you guys more in depth about this RYOBI battery. Okay, so here's my RYOBI battery charging station, and what you have to do, all you have to do is just, press it like that, and you just hear a click once you, input it into here, and just like that, it closes up. And then located right over here, it tells the battery percentage, which is right over here that you can see, and it tells you how much, the indicator of how much green it is. When it's all 3 more lit up greens, then that means that it's fully 100% charged. But you can see that still, it's at a battery percentage where it still needs to be charged. But overall, I would definitely recommend this RYOBI Lithium 1.5H battery if you have power tools or a saw or anything that's from RYOBI that needs a battery. Then this is by far one of the best batteries that you could get as for a replacement set or additional batteries.